Today I'm hiking with Richard Armstrong.
Stumbling around the woods.
Stumbling around. What's this tree we got right here, Richard?
We have the largest black cherry tree I've ever seen in my life. In Nova Scotia anyway. They grow them bigger down in Quebec, so I've heard. This is Prunus serratina. That's the Latin name for this. And that is a fine specimen. And that had one other tree growing out of it that died somewhere in the...
So here's the black knot that is the famous thing for telling what we got going on here. And
yeah.
So I had this as the skill testing question last week. What kind of tree do we have?
Yeah.
So here's another one.
This is one of our native black cherry, or native cherry trees, I should say. There's three native cherry trees in Nova Scotia.
And what would you do if you had this? What kind of wood? What would you use the wood for?
This is also called a rum cherry. They usually flavor rum with the cherries.
When they make the barrels,
made rum or whatever, made rum for. They called it a rum cherry.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's the bark is medicinal for. They make cherry cough syrup out of it. It's also called. Well, they make fine furniture out of it too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It's the prettiest wood around here, and it's got a nice smell to it when it's milled out. It's a beautiful tree. Beautiful tree.
The roots almost look like the last one I photographed. The roots almost look like a spruce tree roots. You know, they had all. It's really very similar.
Yeah.
You know, and you don't until you get these old trees. The bark is entirely different. You know,
right.
Then it gets very confusing to a guy that hasn't been around here for a while.
And there are some other I've seen bigger ones, or big ones as big as this. Mike Olton has a few that are almost this size too.